Hey guys, this is Maria from private-social.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create quotes images for Instagram. If you're thinking about sharing the words with a picture, then implement your ideas with Canva app. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Firstly, go to Google Play Store and find the Canva app. Click to download it. Once it will be installed into your phone, go and open it. Select the Instagram post option. As you can see, you have an opportunity to use a blank page and create your quote picture from the scratch, or you can choose and apply any of already created templates. So if you decide to make your quote image using already prepared template, then tap to open it. Now start editing it. Firstly, you can upload another visual. Secondly, add your text. Also, if you want, you can change the font and the color of your text. Once your picture is ready, hit the checkmark sign in the top left corner. After that, press on the download icon at the top and scroll down until you find the Instagram post option. Click on it and you will be moved to Instagram. Now upload a post as you would normally do. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create quotes images for Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at private-social.com.